And here we have a big fuck-off seagull. We have supplied some food on the bonnet, but it's not showing any interest whatsoever. It's having a little call out to its friends, saying, "Come and join the party, boys. We've got a bread cake." You coming for it then? What, you fat cunt? No, it's gonna sit there fucking chirping. Oh, crow's fucking here, look, he's fucking nearly swooping in. Oh, there's two crows over there. Here, crows. You better fucking butty.
Crows like meat.
Do they like meat? Get some fucking back on them. Come on then, you fuckers. Dare yous to get that butty. No. Maggers. No, it's not shiny, is it?
Let a fire out for it.
Told him fucking Harrogate, mate. All birds are too posh to fucking eat some fucking dirty butty.